So what do we want to do on this stuff? First, let's stage this bad boy and call it GA Analytics. I'll stage GA Analytics so we actually know what we're dealing with. I'll create a table on that. Cool. And then let's go back to the graph and we will stage the weather. So stage weather sample, we'll just say stage weather sample. Okay, preview, make sure it works. Sample data, I haven't worked with it before. Okay, click create table. Ooh, that's a lot of data. Maybe we shouldn't have created a table. Still running. Okay, well, we want to join these models, hopefully. We're going to want to do it on a date column. So let's see. So I know that there's a date column on the analytics. It's stored as date. And then from the weather column, there's a timestamp. This probably isn't going to work. We have to say something like to date. Maybe this will work. Oh, but it's got to be across the whole thing. Now let's see if this works. Preview? No, it doesn't work. Okay, well, I've done this before. So I just have to figure out how to turn the timestamp into a date. Okay, so let's go back real quick. Oh, it wasn't able to query anyway. Let's find out why. We'll create a view on it. Okay, view works fine. So from here, delete this guy. Oh, I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to set up GitHub as well. Okay, so we're going to set up GitHub real quick. I have a token that I have saved in some random file. So to create a GitHub token, you just go to your GitHub and go to settings. And then you go to developer settings, I believe. And then personal access tokens. And you can create a personal access token by clicking generate new token. And for this one, you just need repo level access, but it says it in there. I'm not going to put in my thing because I just need the token that I've already generated. So we're going to go back to here, enter my token, put first time repo setup, structure, repo, submit. Looks good. Create a README file. Looks good. Create an initial commit. Initial commit. Submit.